We are pleased to show you the 2011 Ram Pickup 3500. The Ram 3500 heavy-duty lineup features some of the most powerful trucks available. It comes with a lot of power, features, and capabilities. Its functional design and interior comforts make it the perfect truck for work or play. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, dual rear wheels, fog lamps, remote power door locks, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, engine hour meter. Your new ride is just a phone call away.